Let's see the Kannada Varnamale in detail. The first one is vowels, that is swaragalu, a to au. The alphabets which can be pronounced independently are called vowels or ಸ್ವರಗಳು. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಬರುವ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯ ಮೊದಲ 13 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವರಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವುಗಳೆಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅ, ಆ, ಇ, ಈ, ಉ, ಊ, ರು, ಎ, ಐ, ಒ, ಔ. In swara, we have two types. First one, Hrusva swara, that is short vowels. Short vowels are pronounced for 1 unit time. They are a, I, U, Ru, E, O. Second one is Dirgha swara, long vowels. Long vowels are pronounced for 2 unit time. They are a, I, U, E, I, O, ಔ.